What's up, guys? It's your boy Ike Burner, Ice Garage. We back at it. We're doing the motor on the 75 Buick La Sabre convertible. We're going to be installing power steering, alternator, AC brackets on this engine so that we can install it into the car. All right, we back, y'all. So we're installing the ICT power steering and alternator bracket onto the engine. Let's get it going. So you got this is the countersunk bolt for that one. All these spacers are the same, about 1.5 inches off. You'll put all 4 of them behind here, but we'll use this one first to anchor it on there. So this is the ICT power steering alternator bracket for the LS motor. They usually come natural. I had these all powder coated black. My boy at Baker 408 took care of me, tied me up. So now we'll put the rest of these spacers in so we get the proper spacing on the motor. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to put this part of it together, but it's a little pain. Okay. This one's a little loose, so we'll leave it out for right now. Now we have to put on the front part of the bracket and the power steering pump. So this motor is out of a 2015 Camaro. It's called the L99, but essentially it's a LS3 after you take out the VVT and DOD like we did already. And we have a stage 3 cam in here. So this is the original alternator. It's like 150 amps or something, which is gonna be perfect for the old school. So, and of course we got the powder coat on there, and I tightened everything up, so it's a little tight. Need to press that on. I don't have the tool right now, but it's all good. That'll go on like that. Serpentine belt, we're gonna jump on that other side and get the AC going. So this is the power steering reservoir. The pump we use in this application is off of a Corvette, so this is the reservoir. It'll go right here, see the hole? Match up to that, so it'll go in there like that. Boom, boom. There you go. Set up, we just gotta unbolt it and put it on there.
I come from the parts of poverty where they don't really care. The folks that you need when you need them ain't never there. But when you have money and doing good.
What's going on, guys? Your boy Ike Burner, Ice Garage. We back at it. So we're gonna start installing the AC bracket on the, I guess it's gonna be the right side of the motor if it's in the car. So we have to start by removing the stock factory tensioner. All right, so this is the stock tensioner. We're gonna remove it because the AC bracket comes with a new tensioner in its place. Install the rear AC bracket first. Okay. This is the outer bracket. We just have to figure out how to put it on.
Lately all your idols down and now they looking crazy. They all chasing clout, don't see nobody chasing greatness.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Ike Burner. We're back at it, Ike's Garage. So, as you see, we got the front drive system complete on the engine, ICT, alternator power steering bracket, and AC bracket, idler, and pulley. So we'll just be figuring out what belt we need to run so that we can put it on and put it in the car. We're almost there. All right, guys, your boy Ike Burner, Ike's Garage. I'm back at it. I want to thank you guys for watching this episode, putting this thing together so we can get it into the Donk. We got a lot more stuff to do on the car. I want to try and document as much as we can on this. I've been putting stuff on IG, but we're trying to put more of this build on YouTube. So please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more episodes, all right? Talk to you guys later. I'm out.